Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 DDPAI dash cameras. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, new DDPAI Z50 Pro Dash Cam. Specifications. Brand name, PAI. Aperture, f1.8. Warranty, 1 year. Power source, corded electric. Built-in screen, yes. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Chipset manufacturer, RK. Frames per second, 25. Product number 2, DDPAI Dash Cam Z50. Specifications. Brand name, PAI. Aperture, f1.75. Power source, corded electric. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inch. Chipset manufacturer, RK. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.565 kilograms. Product number 1, DDPAI Mola N3 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, PAI. Power source, corded electric. Rear camera, yes. Touch screen, no. View angle, 105 degrees to 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1600. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 1600 mega. Chipset manufacturer, Sigma-Star. Frames per second, 25. Warranty, 1 year.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.